In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to a smart television. Now, I'll be demonstrating this on an LG TV, but this should also work for Samsung, Philips, or basically any model of smart television. So the very first thing we need to do is head over to the settings page on our television. Now, you can do that either by pressing the settings button on your remote control, or alternatively, you can click on this home button over here, and there should be a settings icon on the home screen. On the LG television, it's in the top right hand side. I know on some models of Samsung, you may also find this in the left hand home navigation. So once you're on the settings menu, we're just going to scroll all the way down here to all settings and click on this. Now this is where the solution is going to be slightly different depending on your model of TV, but essentially what we're looking for here is either our Bluetooth settings or our sound settings. So to connect your speaker, you can do this one of two ways. It will either be in the Bluetooth settings or it will be in the sound settings. Now on an LG TV, I need to come down to my sound settings, and then I'm going to scroll over on the right hand side, and you should see an option here called something like sound out or output device. Go ahead and click on this, and you'll have a few different options. Now the one that we're looking for is a wireless connection, which is going to be Bluetooth. So I'm going to scroll down and click on use wireless speaker. Make sure Bluetooth device is turned on like this, and that should automatically begin searching for any Bluetooth devices in the area. Now obviously, before your device is going to show up in this list, you need to make sure Bluetooth is actually turned on your speaker. So I've just got my speaker here, and we need to make sure it's turned on, and we also need to make sure the device is in pairing mode. So typically this will involve pressing a button on your speaker to enable the pairing mode, and sometimes you'll see a flashing light to indicate that the speaker is in pairing mode. For my speaker, I can just toggle on this Bluetooth option at the back here, and you can go ahead and press search again to search for any Bluetooth devices, and as long as your Bluetooth is turned on your speaker, it's going to appear in this list here, and we can simply select it to go and connect to that speaker. Now you can do this with any Bluetooth device. You could do it with your speakers, or you can even do it with your AirPods as well. So you can see here I already have my AirPods connected, and if you just go ahead and select your device from the list, you can then come back over to the main sound window, and as long as you have sound output selected to your Bluetooth device, then the sound from your TV is going to start playing through this instead of your TV speakers. Now it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful.